The Big Brother 27 house has entered one of the most intense and unpredictable phases of the season as the Week 8 Power of Veto ceremony delivered shocking results that have already set the stage for drama, strategy shifts, and potential blindsides that could change the entire direction of the game. As the house guests get closer to finale night, every competition win, every decision made in the veto ceremony, and every alliance whisper is magnified, and this week has proven exactly why fans continue to call Big Brother the ultimate social experiment. The veto ceremony was one of the most anticipated moments of the season so far, as alliances were splintering, trust was evaporating, and players were forced to reveal where their loyalties truly lie. Going into the ceremony, the head of household's nominations were already controversial, sparking fiery discussions inside the house and passionate debates among fans watching on live feeds. With the veto in play, everyone knew the nominations might not stay the same, and the outcome could put new targets in jeopardy while saving others who thought their game was about to come to an end. The week started when the latest head of household made bold nominations that immediately put the house on edge. The Ho, pressured by both sides of the house, chose to put two strong competitors on the block. While one nominee was considered a physical threat who has proven they can win competitions, the other was a social player whose connections had quietly grown into one of the most influential networks in the house. With those nominations on the line, the power of veto competition became more crucial than ever. The veto winner would not only control their own fate but also potentially reshape the balance of power inside the house. The power of veto competition itself was a nail-biting battle. It featured a mix of endurance, puzzle solving, and sheer determination, testing the house guests both mentally and physically. Several players were desperate for the win, and their urgency was clear from the very beginning. In the end, one player emerged victorious and secured the golden power of veto, giving them the ability to save themselves or another nominee from the block. The live feeds captured the immediate fallout after the competition, with house guests scrambling to pitch their cases, sway decisions, and orc alliances. Conversations in every corner of the house turned to the crucial question: would the veto be used, and if so, who would end up as the replacement nominee? At the veto ceremony, the tension reached its peak. The house guests gathered, knowing that the outcome would shape not only the eviction vote but also the trajectory of the game moving forward. The veto winner shocked some and thrilled others by making a bold move. Instead of keeping nominations the same, the veto was used, forcing the head of household to name a replacement. The HOH's choice stunned the room, with whispers of betrayal and panic immediately spreading through the house. A major alliance found itself exposed. A floater was suddenly pushed into the spotlight, and one of the strongest social players realized their game had taken a dangerous turn. The replacement nomination now means that this week's eviction is wide open, with the house divided and the vote likely to come down to just a few swing votes. Fans on social media and live feed watchers erupted in reaction to the veto ceremony. Some praised the move as the kind of bold gameplay Big Brother thrives on, while others criticized it as reckless and short-sighted. Analysts of the game are already pointing out that the decision could either cement a path to the end for the veto user or mark the beginning of their downfall. The live feeds showed several players quickly reworking strategies in response to the new nominees, with late-night conversations filled with paranoia, promises, and backstabbing. House guests who were once considered safe suddenly find themselves scrambling for votes, while others are weighing whether it is smarter to stay loyal to an alliance or flip the game in their favor. What makes this week especially compelling is how fluid the power dynamics have become. The original nominations had set up one narrative, but the use of the veto has completely rewritten it. The head of household, while still technically in power, is now facing backlash for their replacement choice. Some house guests believe the Ho has exposed their true loyalties, while others are plotting how to use this moment to their advantage in the weeks ahead. With so few weeks left in the season, every move carries heightened stakes, and this week's veto ceremony could very well be remembered as one of the most pivotal turning points of Big Brother 27. Another layer of intrigue is how this outcome affects jury management. As house guests begin thinking about the endgame, the way evictions are handled becomes crucial to earning respect from jurors. The nominee who ends up evicted this week will join the jury with strong opinions about who betrayed them, who lied, and who stayed loyal. The use of the veto has already created tension that will surely linger in the jury house, and players who fail to manage these relationships carefully could fiend themselves losing the $750,000 grand prize by a single bitter vote. Big Brother has always been about adaptability, and this week is testing that quality more than ever. The house guests who can pivot quickly, keep their cool under pressure, and build new paths forward will survive. Those who cling too tightly to old alliances or fail to read the shifting dynamics may find themselves blindsided in the weeks to come. The live eviction episode promises to be one of the most dramatic yet, with speeches, last-minute deals, and perhaps even another shocking twist that no one sees coming. As of now, the veto ceremony results have left the Big Brother house in chaos. Viewers are on the edge of their seats waiting to see who will be sent packing and how the remaining players will adapt. The outcome will not only determine the next jury member but also reshape the alliances and rivalries heading into the final stretch of the season. If there is one certainty, it is that Big Brother 27 continues to deliver suspense, drama, and strategy at every turn, proving once again why this show remains a summer staple after so many years. The power of veto has spoken, and the ripple effects of this week's decision will be felt long after the eviction vote is cast. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.